You need to watch this if you struggle with engines. Let's break down the 4-stroke engine in a flash. First up, the intake stroke. The piston moves down, drawing in a mix of fuel and air. Next, compression. The piston moves back up, squeezing that mix tight. Third, the power stroke. A spark plug ignites the mix, causing an explosion. Boom! The piston is forced down, creating power. Finally, exhaust. The piston moves up again, pushing out the burnt gases, and the cycle repeats. So in summary, intake, compression, power, exhaust. 4 simple steps that keep your engine running smooth. Got it? Now you can impress your friends with your engine knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.